Good afternoon. A pleasant welcome to the Ben Archer TV channel. Send it to be a catcher monom. Yet Chiamo, Yedin Checkers Yepa, and the man Bibia Wubia all over the world. Helsinki, Antananarivo, London, New York City, Maryland, and Birmingham, Milton Keynes, and I say baby to say Brussels, and I Berlin, Bonn, and I say be a Hanover, baby I will be all over the world, Budapest, Yedin Chakesiye, and the Mamo, Ghana, across all the 16 regions. Yedamasa say more say more preferred option about developmental project reporting. I hear number information on all social media platforms. We are airborne on YouTube, Ben Archer TV, on TikTok, Ben Archer TV, on Facebook, Ganes Archer Ben, and on Instagram, so Ganes Archer Ben. But any video we like mine, wadaroma, or therefore like mine, let's subscribe, the best part of this amazing family. And I remember Shikpontele, your mom update a course headline in terms of the asphalt and the course now. And currently, what is happening now is that the street light installation check done. How much my street light installation check nina every. But before I start with the details, my menje mo comments kakwa e course our platform ha. In our previous video, our YouTube, most of you share my comment on video I post to what the transition point say na mo share my drain jumadia ekoso between of Fanco barrier ekose in samom and if you comment by our YouTube obisi kudos, and this coming from Kwame Answer, kudos to you Ben Archer. Then Kumho 1321 also writes thank you for the update, sir. Thank you too. Then Ebo Manson writes, please find out whether the current U10 close to the frames oil will be maintained. We will do that for you as well, Ebo. Then is AK headlines. Makani here. Fachame. That's what I see here. It's AK headlines. Ben, you are doing a good job, but you have to be at Bodie to Asankregwa Road. Bodie to Asankregwa Road. Massive road construction going on at these areas. Send me, I will go and bring you the shot. I will certainly send you to go there and bring me the shot with regards to development happening at Sankregwa. So those were the comments that came in on your favorite platform, the Ben Archer TV on YouTube. Now let's cross to Facebook and see what comments the audience have for us. Now on Facebook, Sharifa Abigail Weho say great job, and then Odene Hono Baroski, please tell them to fix speed camera for us. Very important. It can even create more money for the government as well. Maxwell Kweku Odro, good job Ben, thank you. Odene Hono Baroski, upon all this we still. All right, into Bekoso near the update now, Bremo, and now Uba Shikpontele. What do you see here over the weeks now? Your mom update say asphalt and Eguswa Ekoswa over asphalt Akoswa to a particular point. In the near SC asphalt now Pem Pobiman, make me a canesa. From Amasamana, Copie or Pobimano, or make me good asphalt, let me do that proportion. And that is what you can see in your shot. That is the asphalt binder course. Asphalt binder course on both sides of the road from Accra to Kumasi and from Kumasi to Accra. Contractor na made decide you many we are. Ama ekwane so enanti aya konyaba ye aya enika ye pa. Now yaba Shikpontele, we are seeing two important things happen here. The first, the continuation of the footbridge. Meka chemo say now omo be main expressway na tumuno. Drivers need ya konyaba no. And that's also a asphalted project, asphalted way, and a route, bema adoba for be ako speed, kwane so. And because of that, as I saw, multimedia footbridge in terms, send ye pedestrians, fa main road in and cross road, and yes, idea, yenti asem papa, the better say, accident every day, ebeba was a Jansi, so, Shikpontele, a China more area, into a good thing a contractor, now we're close to one part or one portion of the expressway, and currently, the friend, the continuation of the footbridge, and we decay one part, the other part, almost as on bay rentem. Send ye Emma, a resident, and Kuchucha Quenmu Basa Basa, Nenkofa Akunshebia, Enfa Ma. So currently that's what you are seeing there. Mugusa Omudi Juma Manchester scaffoldings are the second part of the footbridge no movie Abuama Kondia Bedie or Kwanway so easy. And not only the expressway no my block block one of the service lane Juma way. And also what do you see here from baby asphalt and see Shikpontele. And don't forget say and the asphalt and and a footbridge pen on moye. Oma sanso aye street light installation oma ye amana kone ni medical ka chem de dada. Akase omode ombetwa tum na edu anajo akoso mu nkane e ho aso ama bebi aye hwen fefefe eno penaka. Now what are you seeing here? You are seeing that the contractors are trying to create a median here, and the median is to separate the service lane from the expressway. No mo ye wa ha na mo create median e wa ha fefefe Umuvia, send no my of Uncle Barry, or maybe Opokwaseno, and no ever separate the expressway, from the high the service lane and Takweno median kakra on the other side and a retaining wall kakra so on the other side sabe pepe into two things either say a be median and now say a be drain that's what we are looking at. But share send a hano etiena everything shows clearly say a be median into won't say street light on my shen for fair na ye can say ni two yen animal for yen motete amasama Shikpontele China more area where the people be man sapema satellite whole area ho na ye tumofo say mamun kotwa ekwan mu mfa main road in him and until the footbridge or no owo ben nante kakra akofa footbridge na twa kwan mo se da bi no waye no hotia no akofa street light ne nchen na wafa no atwam enye ade papa eno so ese etu enwan mofo na omankoye saadwe amankofa asem boni bia anye den ambrewom na uyi no so free ho one thing na ye pese ye sanso kan se eno a ene beto odwa se akratema motorway no street light contractor no aye 2021 across the 19-kilometer stretch akratema motorway enkofo wia street lights ni post ni na it maybe muka suggest our platform has say going forward the government should try to intensify effort ye di wood street lights na boa masa akrono a ekoso no eto etwa enti tema motorway krono na ekoso no ye bompa say street light contractor no over 30-kilometer stretch no omo man be yi to two street light in me anko en ho wires any cables enko enti no so yemfa afutu ema yennuane ma omo wo ho na omo hu de ekoso ye Ben Archer TV the live update and a Shikpontele ebremo enti sa pepepe na ekoso ewo Shikpontele se na hu de ekoso but when the first time our platform me only subscribe na be part of this amazing family. Isn't it beautiful? Look at this road stretch. Maybe I make a say the biggest road project Ghana is seeing at the moment, the rehabilitation of the Fanko barrier to Insawam road project. I mean, take every issue out. This is the most consistent and the biggest project at Ekoso. And also even the geography, the topography, the graphy for Nina, the area view. Especially Luffy in some no the bank. Oh, the scene will be very a delight to drive. What they say? Enti yamo modern say you be maintaining sa project we na you be all your renovation renovation maintenance works ni you be putting on a good maintenance habitat you be preserve this beauty. I mean, any idea that from in this economic crisis, economic moment, or betis kabotin say over 300 million. You find yes, you may Emma Ghana benefit and easy sir. So I just say it's yin as Omamba Pan Yebe preserve sa monument way. I Ben Acha TV continue to enjoy the rest of the footages. Thank you.
My bomba.